the best way to take off lashes at home, that was before with some lashes, this is after, is with coconut oil. Doesn't hurt your eyes, you just rub and massage it through, and then eventually they fall off. And there's no chemicals, it's all natural, and it doesn't hurt. When I went to the lash place, it always hurt my eyes, but this is so much better. Time for healthy lashes to regrow. And as you can see, I am absolutely lash free. Oh, I feel so free. Now they can heal, get healthy, and grow. So, the best way to take off lashes is literally just using virgin, unrefined coconut oil. That's all you need. And all you do is take a little bit and put it on your finger, and then you massage it in your eye, around where the lashes were. I already just took them off. And then you use the lash brush to gently brush the lashes. And then as you're doing that, you also massage, going back and forth, and then gently like pull, gently, not to actually pull them, but just gently working to get all the lashes off. And then over time, they're gone.